How to fix your PS5 controller not connecting step by step. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is check the basics. You want to make sure that your PS5 is turned on. Check the USB cable and try a different one. And if it doesn't work, try a different USB port on the PS5. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and try to restart your PS5 by pressing the PS button, going to power and selecting restart PS5. If it's still not working, behind your controller, there is going to be a little reset button that you can simply press for 5 seconds using a pin and release and wait for a few seconds. And then you can simply go ahead and connect it with your PS5 with your USB cable. If it still doesn't work, you want to simply go ahead and keep your PS5 away from Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and other devices, or you could simply take it to your nearest hardware store. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.